Thank you very much. This was a wonderful meeting, and would like to thank you on behalf of my government, Somalia, how that you receive and welcome in this an important first assembly session of the OEC, Organizational Cooperation on Education. Somalia is a member of the OEC, and it's a founding member. My deputy prime minister was attended in Djibouti 29 January 2020, and since ever that we consider this an important organization for inclusive and balanced education. We take that initiative, and my government is now working on how we can make that a policy and integrate it into our formal education systems. And we're very much grateful to the organization. This is a timely manner that we need to see the organization is also helping and supporting the countries like Somalia, and those countries now is having a challenge in terms of the improving education and quality of education of their countries. What we have seen today, I would like to also to congratulate the election of the Secretary General, Mansour, and I believe that he has done so many remarkable work since ever we have participated the first session of the General Assembly. We as a government, we are committed to work with the leadership of the organization and also to integrate that policy of inclusive and balanced education in our curriculum.